What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to Instagram, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, as always, man, let's get right into it, man. Y'all seen that caption. Y'all seen that thumbnail. We got the blue boys for y'all, man. People been waiting for these since we seen them last year, man. This toe color blocking has been the most popular over Jordan 1s. Been fairly consistent, man. Even with the Jordan 1s dipping, this color blocking is still one of the better ones to drop. Now, as you can see, man, it has that UNC blue box with the Nike and a Nike check on there in black, man. Same colors all the way around the box. The tag on this joint does read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, University Blue, black and white, size 12, man. This is a personal pair. I got lucky and was able to grab these joints off of the shock drop. Well, technically I struck out and Desiree hit on the shock drop, so they say girlfriend's good for something, man. So shout out to Des for hitting on these joints, bro, because for some reason, man, I can never hit on the shock drops, bro. I can never hit on the shock drops. But let's get into these joints. Now here we have the Air Jordan 1 High OG, man, in the UNC toe colorway, man. We've gotten these joints in the green toes or pine greens. We got court purples. We got the taxi yellows. We got shattered backboards. We got bread toes, man. And this is one of the most popular new non-OG color blockings that Jordan brand has come with. And this one is stuck, and I believe that they can kind of use this joint with any colorway, and it's gonna work regardless, man. They even used this joint on the gold toe, and that was a patent shoe, and that one still looked really good as well, man. The white mid panels, white mid sole with the colors on the front and on the back of the shoe. I believe that's a really good color blocking for Jordan brand to use. Now let's get into the shoe, man. Going around that toe, man, as you can see, it has that black smooth leather. On the actual toe box, it's a nice UNC blue tumble leather. On the side panel of the shoe, it's that white smooth grain leather. Black leather on going across that swoosh. Has some decent blue tumble leather going across the back of the shoe, man. Some pretty nice quality. That black Jordan Wings logo, I like that a lot as compared to like the Royal toes. I really didn't like those because it had the white Jumpman sign. It just didn't look as good as this true color blocking that they've been using for all of the other toe models. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, just the same as the other side, man. It has the white smooth leather on the mid panel, black going across the front toe and the eyelets and eye stays. Going across the top of the back of the shoe and the bottom, it has the blue, has the white and black hits as well. Has those black eye stays and lace holes going all the way up the shoe until you get to the top part, and it has the blue holes as well. This is a really good shoe, man. I like this color blocking a lot. I have every color shoe that comes in this color blocking: green, purple, yellow, gold, shattered backboards, bread toes, man. This is like one of my favorite new color blockings that Jordan brand has come up with. And like I said earlier, man, I think this one is a good one, and it'll be able to stick around for years to come, man. I know I'm speaking very, very prematurely, bro, but I feel like in 10 or 15 years, when they start trying to retro this new stuff that's new right now, I believe these are going to be a hit again, just as they were on their original release. Maybe not so much this blue color because resale isn't there, or the yellow pair because resale isn't there, but you get to those shattered backboards, those bread toes, pine greens and things like that, I think those are going to be a hit every time. And I think this one is a really good shoe as well, but since the resale isn't there, a lot of people aren't going really, really crazy for them. But this is a really, really good shoe, bro. Black, blue, UNC colorway. Not a classic OG as far as the colorway, but as far as the colors, definitely classic colors: white, black, baby blue. Can't go wrong with that, man. It's a Jordan 1, pure white midsole. I like these joints a lot. Has that UNC blue going across that outsole, looking really clean, man. Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Did you cop? Were you able to grab on a shock drop? Y'all leave me a comment. Let me know down below. Now getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left. It has the black smooth leather going across the toe, light blue tumble on that toe box, black lace holes and eye stays, man. Blue going across the back of the shoe, black Jumpman Wings logo, black swoosh, man, white midsole, icy baby blue outsole. This shoe does come with black laces factory installed. And as far as extra spare laces, they did use the box that they're using now. And this has the UNC blue laces on the inside of the box, man. I probably would still go white laces. I always go white laces on my Jordan 1s, especially any Jordan 1 with like with the white in them, of course. So like breads, black toes, any shoe that I can throw a white lace in, I'm definitely gonna do that. That's just my preference. So I feel like white laces in these joints would be crazy. I'll probably go white, black, then blue as far as my order of importance per se for laces, but a clean shoe nonetheless, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Now, as I mentioned earlier, bro, these joints did drop on Nike sneakers app. Shock dropped last week, I believe on Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. Today is Tuesday, and I got them in yesterday on Monday. So I think it was like Wednesday or Thursday. These joints did shock drop. I was able to secure a size 12, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep these joints, bro. I might let them go just to make a little money on them early and just go ahead and grab me a personal, but this one is definitely a shoe that'll be going into the collection. These joints retail for 180 bucks. In Texas, that's like 194 and change, 195 really out the door. But as far as resale on these, man, the resale price has took a tumble, man. These joints are going for 350, 400 pre-shock drop. And now that they shock drop, you can find pretty much all pairs 250 or less, man. So if this is a shoe that you want, and you like this shoe a lot like I do, man, this is a easy pull the trigger, man. If you want them early, they come out on June 22nd. You can get them early right now for like 250, or you can wait for June 22nd. They'll still probably be around the 220 range as far as release day in the bigger sizes, and probably like just a little bit over retail for your small sizes. But I understand if you want to try to use your Finish Line and Hibbit, JD Sports coupons to try to get these joints for a little under retail. So I feel you if you want to wait and play that game. But as far as like grabbing these joints, not too much over retail, man. Really good shoe. Just grab them, bro. If you like them, grab them. If not, I feel you. But for me, this is a cop all day long, bro. This is definitely a cop. Now, as far as quality on these joints, man, Jordan Brand did a really good job, at least on this pair and the other pairs that I've seen, man, on quality control, man. No real flaws. Do got a little hanging thread there, but nothing crazy. This can be easily cut off or burned off, so pretty good quality. Now, as far as quality compared to previous pairs, man, the bread toes, the quality is right on point, man. That red might be a little softer, but as far as everything else, the quality is just the same, man. Exact same shoe. Quality is exactly the same on the blue pair and the yellow pair or the taxi pair, man. Exactly the same on these, man. These are exact matches as far as quality, bro. Really good. Maybe a little softer tumble leather on the mid panel on the yellow pair, but really good quality overall on these comparisons. But as far as the shatter backboards, man, Jordan Brand still hasn't matched this really soft quality that they use. And this is the pair that I've worn a whole lot, man, as you can see. But I do have a good new pair of these that I haven't worn. Maybe I wore them once, but this quality isn't quite shatter backboard. Same color blocking, but this quality is really second to none as far as leather, all the way across the shoe, man. On the toe, on the side panels, everything. This is a really good shoe, bro. Really good shoe. But this comes in a close second place as far as quality, bro. This is a really good one, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing review of this UNC Toe Jordan 1 High OG, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Let me know if this is a cop drop, you dripping, flipping, skipping. Let me know your honest opinion about these. If you're asking me, it's a cop all day long, bro. I love UNC color shoes. I love black and white. This is an easy wear, super nice quality, bro. Good shoe to me. Leave your opinion down below, man. But until next time on the next video, we got the UNC Toe Jordan 1s, man. Peace.